as you guys saw, now we have pretty much a whole row of shelving. What's going on, guys? It's Decelation.
What's up, peeps?
Brian's back.
I am back.
Yeah.
It's sunny Florida. Well, it's kind of overcast and foggy, but it's almost New Year's Day and I'm wearing shorts again. So we've hit the pinnacle here.
Yeah. I'm in shorts too. See? Shorts. All right. So, Brian, yesterday when I was working, he did a lot. Didn't film, didn't give him the GoPro. That's my fault. So, but don't worry. There's plenty of work left for you guys to see.
And if you want to see what it looked like, just watch the last video when he was doing the same thing, taking the shelves apart and putting them back together. And just imagine it's me and not him. That's what it was.
Yeah, pretty much. So, we're going to get back to work, people, because stuff is not going to organize itself. And the sooner we get this organized, the sooner we get to finish that hot rod truck.
It needs finished.
It needs finished. I agree. So, stay tuned. More time lapse. Welcome back, guys. Brian, how are we feeling?
Oh, we're doing great.
Oh, yeah. So, as you guys saw, now we have pretty much a whole row of shelving. And now we can get a lot of this stuff off the floor that we want to keep and put on here, and like lubricants and stuff. And we can even shift like those motors and stuff kind of to that side. And then I can actually fit a car in here. What? Insane, people. So that's what Brian and I are going to work on next. We're going to start putting stuff back on these shelves, organized in a way that makes sense to us.
To make room for all the shit we have to take down off the other shelves.
Yeah, that's a point. those shelves. Because we got to disassemble these shelves as well. Oh boy. It's going to be a busy one.
But the good thing is, once we clean this one out, we'll never have to go and buy a new 3-phase plug for a extension cord ever again. Any extension cord, because we have all the plugs we'll ever need.
Yeah.
And regular plugs. And really short regular plugs. And boxes of plugs and light switches. Yeah.
And conduit elbows and junction boxes.
We could actually just put a sign on the front of the garage that says, like, Ace Hardware.
Yeah.
Deuce Hardware. There's already an Ace. We'll just call it Deuce Hardware.
Deuce Hardware.
Deuce is the place to get all the junk out of our garage.
Oh my goodness. Oh boy. Oh boy. Well, I guess we should get back to work. Welcome back, guys. So, tired.
What's going on there, peeps? Yeah, it's a little tiring.
Yeah. We made an insane amount of progress. Like, insane.
Hey, we know you guys can't hear the music we've been listening to, but the best thing about it is it drowns out the sound of the dog next door. Legally drowns out the sound of the dog next door.
We're not going to talk about the other options that are on the table.
I'm sure you guys can recommend stuff in the comments.
But look, you can see the garage floor. You can see a lot of it. And like, honestly, that's all trash and needs to get dumped or salvaged anyways. And that stuff's all for sale. That stuff's all for sale. But man, we really got it all on this shelf. And there's actually order to it. Like zip tie, sandpaper, soldering stuff. What the hell is that? Oh, sanding, cutoff wheels, electrical stuff, brushes for things, other compressor filters. Yeah, just a lot of stuff. But I'm pretty stoked. What, we found 15?
Yeah.
15 quarts of
15 quarts of oil.
5W30 Castrol synthetic, fully synthetic. Man, that's nice. And I got all my fluids kind of organized on like fluids and like anti-seize, spray bond, Marvel Mist Oil, trans fluid, all that stuff. And the double stack worked because I think that's 13 deep. That's pretty good. But yeah, we're gonna call it a wrap for this video because it's probably gonna be a lot of footage even sped up. So yeah.
But we do have something different for you guys for the next video, so stay tuned. You'll get to see something besides us taking stuff off of shelves and putting stuff onto other shelves.
Very true. And I'm looking forward to this video. This is going to be fun. But if you guys like this type of content, you want to see what we do with this shop and how the shop evolves and all the other builds that we have planned and are currently going on, hit that subscribe button. Come on, it's free. Just
Oh,
hit
hey,
the button.
and one more thing for our astute viewers. A special shout out in a video to anybody who can explain what the slide rule of level actually means here. I'm sure somebody out there does some building or something that can make sense of what all these numbers are. So if somebody can figure out the slide rule angle thing or carpenter's angle, you get a special shout out in the video.
He's right, because we stared at it for like 5 minutes and we had no idea what we were looking at. It was mind-boggling. But yeah, if you like this type of content, go ahead and comment down below. Let us know and hit that like button. And we will see you guys next time. Peace. Bye.
Take it easy, peeps. We'll see you later.